On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2016 Cedar Creek Hathaway 38RD. Inside, the radius ceilings create a dramatic effect, adding beauty and elegance to this center kitchen, rear living room fifth wheel floor plan. This modern and luxurious kitchen is a perfect space to prepare meals, enjoy dinner and relax comfortably with family and friends. The unique layout has a solid center island countertop with a double sink located on the adjacent counter with plenty of cabinet space. On the slide out, there is a microwave, residential refrigerator, pull-out shelves, and a 3-burner gas stovetop with oven. On the opposite slide, there is a cozy dinette table with 4 chairs and a great view. The rear living area includes a sleeper sofa, new-style theater recliner, fireplace, flat-screen TV, stereo with CD player and inside and outside speakers. Upstairs, you'll relax a little longer in the private bedroom retreat. There, you will find a bedroom with a queen-size bed, chest of drawers, flat-screen TV, large wardrobe with washer-dryer connections and a built-in hamper closet on the side. The full bathroom has a seated shower, linen side closet with shelving and mirrored vanity with countered sink below. Outside, you'll find a huge pass-through storage area with docking station controls. The 38RD provides the ultimate in outdoor cooking convenience. With a sink, faucet, metal weatherproof cabinetry, refrigerator, and microwave all within easy reach. You can cook, clean up, and store everything you need without missing any of the outdoor fun. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.